Are you looking to start a vegetable garden? Growing your own vegetables is rewarding. It saves money and provides fresh produce. But which vegetables should you start with? Let's explore the top 5 best vegetables to grow. First up, we have tomatoes. They are versatile and easy to grow. Tomatoes thrive in warm weather. Choose a sunny spot in your garden. Water regularly and support them with stakes. Expect juicy tomatoes in summer. Next, consider growing lettuce. Lettuce grows quickly and is low maintenance. You can start harvesting in just a few weeks. Plant seeds in cool weather for best results. Regular watering will keep leaves crisp and healthy. Third on our list is carrots. Carrots are fun and nutritious. Plant seeds directly in the soil. They need loose, well-drained soil to grow properly. Be patient. It takes time to see those tasty orange roots. Fourth, we have zucchini. Zucchini plants produce abundantly. They grow fast, offering lots of vegetables. Space the seeds well when planting. Harvest zucchini when they are small for better taste. Last but not least, let's talk about peppers. Bell peppers add color and flavor. They enjoy warm temperatures and lots of sunshine. Water consistently for healthy growth. Enjoy fresh peppers in salads or cooked dishes. In summary, the top 5 vegetables to grow are tomatoes, lettuce, carrots, zucchini, and peppers. These vegetables are easy to cultivate and yield delicious results. Ready to start your garden? Grab some seeds and get planting today.